Okay guys, we are at the Bubble Lab. The name on the glass over there, Bubble Lab. And we are getting bubble tea. It's a cute little shop. And they've got seating downstairs, looks like, and a bathroom if you need it. So yeah, we're gonna get some boba to hold us over until it's time for dinner at Mini Bar. Okay, and here we are. Jason got...
I got the original.
The original
I got
milk tea.
I got tapioca boba and I got red bean. What do they call it?
Azuki.
Yeah.
Azuki beans. And I got Oreo milk tea with boba. Jason got the grande and I got the...
Oreo? It's interesting.
Yeah, he got the grande and I got the medium.
You want to try yours?
Medium.
See what you think of it?
Yeah, so it
Yeah.
comes with a little stopper for you.
Yeah. See, yours was hard. Mine wasn't hard. I had a spilling accident on Nicole. My bad.
It's all good. It's all good.
My cap was really loose.
How was yours? Did you try it?
It's good. It's really good, yeah.
You really like it?
It kind of reminds me of Kung Fu tea.
Their original like Kung Fu tea?
Yeah. How's yours?
It's like the boba's good.
Side note, we got this hat from Nicole at these little, tourist trap things, and we didn't notice, but it's 100% made out of paper. It's pretty wild.
Yeah,
But it's still nice looking.
because it's hot. It's like 90-something
it is
degrees
hot out
and
here.
very humid.
So yeah.
So it tastes like a smoothie.
Oh really? So it's
So
chunky?
you
It's
have
thick?
chunks of Oreo cookie.
Oh,
in it.
nice.
Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, guys, we're gonna slowly make our way to dinner now. Now that we've ruined our appetite.
Yep.
Let me go ahead and get the outside
Okay.
as we make our way. Bubble lamb.
Vabbè, un'altra volta.
And we're making our way, making our way.